Can you see who watched your reels on Instagram? Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will see if we can see who have watched our Instagram reels or not. So without further delay, let's see. So first of all, if you're on your home page or if you're on your Instagram profile page, and if you want to see who have viewed your reels, if you go to your reels tab and navigate to your specific reels, open up your reels, then from there tap on view insights. So as of now, Instagram does not allow you to see exactly who watched your reels, while you can view the number of plays and the list of people who have liked or commented on your reel. The platform or the Instagram does not provide a features to see a list of all viewers. So your answer to the question is no, you cannot see who have watched your reels on Instagram. But if you see here, you can see who have liked and commented on your reel. If you go to the like or comment section, and you can see the total number of times your reel was played. And if you're on this insight page, there you can see how many people have shared your reel. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.